Hey, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Double D's Quickie Reviews. So how y'all been doing? I'm doing a few of these in a row, so, if you're bored, how about hitting that little like button down there? Yeah, that would be cool. Show some love, show some support. Anyways, moving on. Today, I just got something in the mail. Well, okay, I got it in the mail 2 days ago. Was it 3? It doesn't matter. I got it. That's all that matters. Something I've been wanting, so I decided to splurge a little bit. I had to order something for my significant other for Christmas anyway, so I ordered this item as well for myself. And it is... boom, this. Now, as all y'all know, I am a huge Captain America fan. I have actually not seen this show because I don't have Disney Plus. I know. I don't have Disney Plus. Oh, excuse me, I swallowed my... Anyways, the reason I don't have Disney Plus is I still got a few shows on Netflix I want to finish, and then I'm going to get rid of that and get Disney Plus, because I know once I get that, I'm going to be watching that a lot. I mean, heck, I've never even seen The Mandalorian. What they should do is release them on DVD, because then I can... You know what? I'm ranting now. Disney doesn't going to follow my advice, because they don't want profit. And let's look at this. Now, I heard this figure is actually on the show. I could be wrong. I don't know. Yeah. And the character doesn't last very long because he does become U.S. agent. I do have that figure somewhere, though I wasn't a big fan of it. And here it is. I like the packaging. It's very patriotic. Captain America. And I don't know if people in the show know his real name. You know, like the general public, or... Yeah. And on the back, of course, you have the picture of him as Captain America. Those ears are sticking way out. I do agree with the online community when they said he sort of looks like the old man from Up. Disney tie-in. Now we know why he never made it to that island. It looks pretty cool. Show us the side one. This side one. And that's enough yammering. I heard that it's a really nice collectible. Might fetch someday some good money on the secondary value. You know what we say to that? Let's open them up. We don't do this for profit. We do this for fun. And trust me, I never make a profit on anything I try. As if I get the dang thing open. There we go. Nice looking box. Okay. Background. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Is that New York City? Why is it red? I don't know. Accessories. Standard shield, though this one is in silver, black. Black. Silver, red, and blue. And of course, standard thing on the back to be pegged or armed. Comes with the alternate. Boop. Okay, that didn't work. The alternate John Walker head. Looks alright, though we know we will never touch this again. So, boom. Lost it. And the captain himself. Yeah, dang. Okay, he has a molded gun on the side. Joints are stiff as heck. Maybe they didn't expect anybody to actually take them out of the package. They underestimated me, huh? Head's got good articulation, of course, because it popped off. It is stiff as can be, though. I do like the closed fist. I don't like too many open hands. Of course, over here you got the trigger finger. It might be itchy. Maybe they do know who he is in the universe, because the dude ain't wearing no gloves on his finger. Means he's leaving fingerprints everywhere. I have read the comic book where John Walker takes over as Captain America. Ab crunch. Upper arm movement. Yeah, there we go. Let's get that loose. It's got really good articulation. I mean, standard articulation. Bends at the torso. I mean, at the upper thigh. Upper shin. Rocker in the heel. Ankle does pretty good. Foot doesn't bend in half. Ab crunch. I may have mentioned that already. And paint job is really nice. No oversplashing. US flag on the side. I can't see it because my camera isn't too good. Wings on the helm. It's silver. Focus. Will it focus or won't it? Come on, focus. There you go. The mask has that really cool 2-ply look to it. Yeah, they got the faceplate's actually glued on, so gives it that extra feel of depth. All in all, it's a pretty good figure. Look good on the shelf next to my other captains. If I can get the shield on him, there we go. Someday I hope to get the captain shelf back up. Someday. I need a flat piece. I didn't think about that. I meant to fix that after my last video, but okay. And I'll lower this bit. Yeah. Now, as you can see, really good detailing. I mean, that whole bracket up here looks like a star, and I doubt you can see it on my camera. The star on the helmet also has a shape inside, sort of like the classic. And I do like the look of it. It's much more muted than the original Captain America. The gloveless fingers, though, I'm not so sure about. All in all, looks like a very utilitarian, a suit that would work. Harnesses, armor, falling over. The back does not want to stand, so we're going to fake it. Star in the back, the hole for the shield. Helmet looks really nice. Very reminiscent of the original Captain America helmet. You know, like an actual piece of armor and not just a cloth covering. As I said, it does come with a handgun that's non-removable from the holster. It's just one mold. But it looks nice. It's a good looking figure. It is for sale right now on Walmart.com. At least it was when I bought it last week. And it looks really cool. I do recommend it. I won't waste any more of your time because it's supposed to be a quick review, and I do tend to ramble. So here you have Captain America, John F. Walker, from the Falcon and the Winter Soldier Disney Plus TV series. Awesome figure. Someday I'll see it. And that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. The more likes I get, the better videos I'll be able to make, because it will increase my confidence. Right now, confidence very tiny. Life crushing. Anyways, thank you for watching, and y'all have a nice night. Double D out. When Captain America raised his mighty shield. Double D